Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you get internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or just use the Google Play Store. Because as you can see, I opened Messenger and I will try to install it, but I can't download it. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go to our settings, scroll down, find general settings, date and time, and from here enable use network provided time. Now if we go back to the Google Play Store and install the Messenger, it should install properly. And the same will be with our Google Chrome. I will reload YouTube and it also works properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.